Here is a simple way for you to make your own coffee candy at the comfort of your home. Lovers of good food, let's do this one again. Even as a commercial seller, you can prepare this and sell it and make a lot of money as a small scale business. Now, all you need is just 3 main ingredients. First one is your butter, then the second one is your coffee, and the third one is your condensed milk. So let's begin. In a clean pot, I'm going to add the quantity of butter that I'll be using. Next, I'm going to add the sugar. Remember that your condensed milk contains a lot of sugar, so be mindful of the quantity of sugar you add. Now, after the sugar have melted, I'm going to add in condensed milk. The quantity of condensed milk you are going to add determines the quantity of the candy you are making. Now, if you don't want to use too much of condensed milk, you can use ordinary milk to incorporate the condensed milk so that the quantity will increase. After adding the extra milk, then you go in with 1 tablespoon of coffee. Continue mixing until you notice that it's getting thick. Once you notice the thickness is increasing, take it down from heat. Now, if you have a molder, you can now start to scoop them inside the mold for it to attain its shape. But if you don't have a molder, spread it on a flat place and allow it to cool down a little bit. Then you begin to mold it with your finger to the right shape you want. Now, here is the secret. If you're molding with your finger, make sure you are fast about it, else once it gets cold, you won't be able to mold it again. Mold as fast as you can, or you can call someone to help you to mold it, okay? Then once you are done molding it, you can now allow it to cool down very well, because the more it cools down, the more it gets stronger. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you. And to my returning subscribers, I appreciate you to always come back to watch and engage on my videos. I appreciate you so much for your support. Thank you. And you can also tell us where you are watching from so that I will give you a shout out in my next video.
This is why kitchen a lifestyle. We dey cook and we dey prove am. Don't know moment for this kitchen. Chef vibes activate the lifestyle activate. Pan dey hot oil dey fry. Onions dey dance, aroma dey fly. Add the pepper, let it bust more. Now this kind taste go make you fall. In chai kitchen and lifestyle. Garlic chop chop, ginger slice. A flavor battle, no need dice. Sky slow, let it simmer. Today's menu, not certified winner. Flavor day, sweet like sauce with the red this way. Up no delay. Afro beat for your food all day. Cook I'm slow, vibe I'm sweet. Not the lifestyle when we dey eat. From the stew to the pot to the beat. Make it bubble till we complete.
Now, this is exactly what I was explaining earlier. If you didn't mold it as fast as you can, you're going to get some that have already gotten cold and block, and will be very difficult for you to mold. Now, after molding, allow them to cool down very well. Then you can now wrap them with a paper. This white paper you are seeing here is a baking paper. I cut it into smaller sizes. So if you don't have a fancy nylon that you can use to wrap it to look more attractive, you can use only baking paper, cut it to smaller sizes, then you can use it to wrap it, just like as I'm doing on this video.
Cook I'm slow, vibe I'm sweet. Not the lifestyle when we dey eat. From the stew to the pot to the beat. Make it bubble till we complete. Sizzle, stir, taste and turn. Every spice they take its turn. Now for this kitchen we did burn. Flavor vibes from night till morn. Eat already. Come chop, make you feel alright. Flavor vibes, flavor life. Afro kitchen every day they like. Hey, would you like? This is why kitchen a lifestyle. We dey cook and we dey prove am. Don't know moment for this kitchen. Chef vibes activate the lifestyle activate. Pan dey hot oil dey fry. Onions dey dance, aroma dey fly. Add the pepper, let it bust more. Now this kind taste go make you fall. In chai kitchen and lifestyle. Garlic chop chop, ginger slice. A flavor battle, no need dice. Sky slow, let it simmer. Today's menu, not certified winner.
Now the coffee candy is ready. So attractive, delicious, and yummicious. Will you be trying this recipe at your home? Tell us in the comment section, okay? And please do not forget to like and share this video, subscribe and turn on your notification bell before you say goodbye. After everything, I decided to have one taste. Look at how attractive it is. As attractive it is so yummy. Try it for your kids for this festive season and they will love you forever. Thank you, and I will see you all again in my next video. Bye-bye.
Na F na yam, with a sprinkle of love and palm. Cooking no be work, na vibe. If you know the dance, you know the try.